It's day 2 at the Green Flight Challenge sponsored by Google. Today, each competitor will make an efficiency flight to determine the PMPG, or passenger miles per gallon, for their aircraft. To qualify, each competitor must get at least 200 passenger miles per gallon. For a single-seat airplane, this means flying 200 miles per gallon of gas. Because efficiency is about getting people places, a vehicle can score 100 PMPG for 2 people and qualify. They must do all this while maintaining a speed of at least 100 miles per hour. This kind of efficiency is unprecedented for power vehicles. Imagine traveling 200 miles in your car on a single gallon of gas. For those interested in the science behind this, efficiency is measured by a special device called an e-totalizer, which measures energy expended by the aircraft. The conversion to PMPG from electricity is 1 PMPG for every 33.69 kilowatt hours of energy.
Should I keep search on here? Copy 120. Copy 120, negative, runway 14, clear to land. The traffic landing runway 19 is very short, final, no factor. I got it. San Jose Tower, Skywing 360 Charlie, entry left base for 14, San Jose.
I'm flying there, hold it.